UGREEN 65W GAN Charger with Quick Charge 4.0 and 3.0, USB-C charger for iPhone, MacBook laptop, tablet, and Samsung Mobile. It has 3 ports with fast-charging 65-watt max output for laptop, tablet, phone. It's only 15 mm in thickness. The newest charger is 20% smaller than the original GaN charger. Compact design saves space. Slim and lightweight, it provides more portability in various narrow space. It comes with 3-in-1 fast charging with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. You can charge simultaneously laptop, tablet, or phone. 65-watt high-speed charging. Charge a MacBook Pro at top speed from 0% to 100% in just 1.5 hours. Professional GaN technology. Include the latest GaN chips for better power and performance. Ultra-thin flag design and the foldable plug provides more portability and a better travel experience. Wide compatibility. This USB-C multi-port charger supports almost all devices for better charging. Power dispenser system. With intelligent power distribution tech, it can adjust power output for extended battery health. The EU, US, UK switchable plugs make the USB-C charging block very helpful and suited for worldwide travel. Total safety and reliability, featuring fireproof housing and safety protection chip, which ensures safe overnight charging.